Welcome to a real energy boosting, mood elevating movement session. Let's just begin with a standing march. Today will be my last session for 1 week as I am embarking on a digital fast, no screens or technology for 1 week. I thought we would come to my most favorite place to move. And what's even better is, I wish it was a little bit brighter. Not letting what's outside of us affect the inside. That's the core message. Our preferences, our desires are what cause most of our suffering. So today, move with me in a way that truly does nourish your body, your mind, and your soul. When you're ready, pick up the pace a little bit here. We're gonna do functional fitness movements, Qigong, yoga. Just a reminder that the type of movement is not important. All the empty promises of do this for 30 days and you'll be fit, happy, slim. I don't think so. It's the consistency of moving your body in natural ways and just continuing to show up for yourself is what matters most. So I do invite you to get out for walks, maybe leave the phone at home once in a while, bend and twist, do your household chores with vigor and know that that's enough as well. Let's just skip a little together here. All right. Just a gentle twist. Step to the inside. Head up high. Breathe in and out. Remember to smile. We get to move our bodies today. We get to breathe deeply. We get to choose an attitude of positivity. All right, let's flow, squat, and twist. Come on down. Rise up and twist. One more here. Warrior 2. To the other side and just flow. A nice little skip in your step as you transition from one side to the other. Get deep if you like. Stay up high if that's what suits you. Move all around your space. Wow. I don't need to tell you how to move. If you're moving with wonder and you're doing it right. Point the toes out, wide stance. Sumo squat, sun over top. Breathe in and out as you come on down. Oh, embrace the natural world, natural movement. But some of the things that we've created, like airplanes, are pretty amazing also. It is about seeing movement with fresh eyes and wonder. That beginner's mind. How would a child look at an airplane? Wow, isn't that amazing? We should do the same, because it is pretty incredible. last one here. Yeah. Step, prayer wheel, narrow stance, other side. Reach out as far as you can. Bend down just a little bit. Yeah. Keep that prayer posture. Squat down just a bit. Shift from side to side. Come up off your heel. Push the backs of your hand as far as you can. Let's do this with a little bit of pace. Let's move quickly, steadily, because we can. All right. A simple forward bend. Reach the hands up, breathe in, exhale, fall forward. Bring your hands to your shin, flat back. Oh. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, fall forward. Flat back, hands to your shins. Reach everything out the top of your head. Feel your spine getting longer. Exhale, fall forward. One more, rise up. Exhale, fall forward. Flat back. Exhale. Just let it all hang here. Let the arms dangle. Bend your knees generously. Just notice. Oh, come on up. Step. Very mindfully. And twist. The simplest of movements can absolutely help us to continue to create mobility, balance, strength, coordination, all of it. Twist deeper. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's it for today. Oh, just stand with me. Ooh. Little quiet contemplation. Maybe this is the time you want to set an intention for your day, for the week ahead. I have a very daunting week ahead. I've fasted from food for 7 days. I feel like fasting from technology might be even harder. We'll see how it goes. But just set that intention for yourself. Just stand and notice, whatever it might be. Maybe you just want to bring a little bit more patience with the ones you love into your day. Refrain from consuming something you know that doesn't nourish you, whether that's visually or with food. Small steps, just to get as much out of this experience as we possibly can without beating ourselves up. Let's just be. Got it? You know what your intention is? Excellent. Just keep showing up for yourself in whichever way nourishes you the most. Not anybody else. Do what's best for you. And I will see you very soon. Blessings.